So after what feels like the longest, wettest winter that we have had for many years, spring is upon us, and I have put together my cleaning guide and schedule, which I think is perfect timing for spring cleaning and blitzing your house. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and please remember to hit the subscribe button and to ring the bell to be notified of my weekly videos. So spring cleaning is the perfect time to get on top of your house and give it a good blitz. So with the cleaning guide and schedule, I talk through all sorts of bits with you, which I think, and I hope that you'll find really, really helpful. So we start with my golden rule of how to keep your home organised. And I'm going to share it with you here. It's in the guide, but I will share it with you. If everything has a place, then it's relatively easy to keep an organised home. And if everybody knows where that place is, where that thing lives, and they put it back in that place, then the house is less likely to get messy, and it's so much easier to keep clean, tidy and organised. So we then move on to every morning and every evening, and I give my advice on things, you just check, yep, that's done, that's sorted. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, the days of the week, and I give my advice on what you should do when, and then that just makes sure that all of those sort of important areas are cleaned properly once a week. And then we go on to weekly jobs, fortnightly jobs, monthly jobs, quarterly jobs, 6 monthly and yearly jobs, because there are some things that just don't need doing, but if you forget about them, then after a year or whatever, it's disgusting. Like under your fridge, it's really important to clean under there. It's so easy to forget and to be busy and not have the time to do it. So I've put, I hope I've got all those things on here for you. And then I talk through laundry care, so I give all the symbols there, and then the recommended products. I've got a big list of my favourite cleaning products that I use, and then I've also got a list of all the relevant cleaning blog posts that I've done that are on YouTube and my website. I am also offering a bespoke service, and this is because quite a lot of people came back to me saying that they have a cleaner and they'd love something for their cleaner, but I don't know how many hours a week your cleaner works. I don't know what days, I don't know what you expect for them. So I'm offering a bespoke service that I can chat this through. I can make a guide for your cleaner, and I can also come to your home and run through it all with your cleaner and teach them if you need that service too. So anyway, I hope that you love my cleaning guide and schedule. It is available on my shop section of the website, and I hope you find it really, really helpful for spring cleaning your home and getting it sparkling, but also throughout the year. It's not just for spring, it's for the whole year. So enjoy, and thank you very much for watching.